All right, those are just my Pillsbury Grand biscuits that we are deep frying in our vegetable oil. We have our oil set to 325 and these should cook absolutely beautifully. So let's go ahead and let these start getting brown. All right, we're gonna flip these. Oh, look how beautiful those look. Oh, I am so excited. That is what we want them to look like. It's gonna be like a take on a classic fair food. And while the other side is getting nice and golden, I'm gonna come in with my plate here. And we have some granulated sugar. You can use powdered sugar if you prefer, but I like the granulated. And we are adding a generous amount right into our plate so it can be ready for those fried biscuits. Yummy. All right, these are cooking up super quick. Okay, I think these are ready. And then these are gonna go straight into our sugar, just like so. We're gonna grab each one, and we have the oil on there so that the sugar sticks perfectly to our biscuits, and we're gonna make sure we flip them after they get coated so that both sides get nice and coated. Ooh, but these are ready. Ooh, these look so good. We let them cool completely. I'm gonna start off with 4 here because that's all that'll fit on my cutting board, and we're gonna cut these in half. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you know I love to do things like this, but this one's gonna be a game changer. Oh, and it's perfectly cooked. I think these are the best ones I've done yet, and what we put in the middle of these is gonna ensure that. And we're just cutting them right in half. It's a little messy with all that sugar on there, but don't worry, I wash my hands after each step. Oh, this is gonna be good. So let's quickly get these last 2 cut open. Now we're coming in with my favorite. You guys know I love this no-bake cheesecake. I'm gonna grab a scoop and we're gonna add a generous scoop right on top of this half of our biscuit donut, delicious, deep fried, naughty treat. I absolutely cannot wait to eat these. Now, if you can't find the no-bake cheesecake, you can just use cream cheese, powdered sugar, and vanilla, and you'll get almost the same exact consistency. But whenever I can find this stuff, I buy it in bulk because it's my favorite. Now, we need to add a little bit of healthiness to this. So we're gonna add some fresh berries right on here. I cut these strawberries into quarters, and don't worry, I cut enough for those extra biscuits as well. And we're just gonna start off with 1/4 of a strawberry, and we can always add more if we have the room. But we found these jumbo blueberries. Look how big those blueberries are. Aren't those the biggest blueberries you've ever seen?
Those are huge.
And we're gonna put that right on top, just like so. Ooh, I'm so excited. Now you could also add like a chocolate drizzle or a caramel drizzle, but I think that these fresh fruits with the cheesecake is gonna be a game changer. Now we have some blackberries. I don't know why they're called blackberries when they're obviously purple. They should be called purple berries, but either way, they are delicious, and we have those right on there. And then, you know, I had to add some raspberries. Ooh, but if you want, you can add whatever fruit you like. You could add all strawberries, all raspberries, all blueberries. Do whatever you want. Schnozberries. Okay, and it's time to close up our dessert sandwiches. Look how good that looks. Woo, and like I mentioned, you could do powdered sugar if you prefer, but I love the granulated sugar because it just sticks to that so nicely. Yum. All right, moment of truth. Cheesecake berry deep fried biscuit donut supreme.
That's gonna be the title. Is it good?